Hi, how are you? It's been a while since I posted a video here, but recently I tried something new with soap and I like how it turned out, so I thought I'll share. If you have made soaps or bought artisan soaps, you may be familiar with frosted soaps. These are soaps in which the top is made by piping it. They look like this or like that. You may also be familiar with the sculpted layers technique, which is when you use a scraper to create shapes inside the soap. My idea was to marry these two techniques. See, on one hand, I like the look of frosted soaps, but I don't always have the time or the skill set to execute them properly. So I thought, what if I can create the look of a frosted soap with a scraper? So I designed a scraper, I printed it in my 3D printer, and the other day I had a chance to test. I no longer have my video equipment set up, so I mostly took pictures of the process. I used a recipe and a fragrance that made the soap become thicker really fast. So in no time it looked like this. I piled it on top of the main soap, and then I ran the scraper on top of it a couple of times, removing all the excess soap batter and putting it into an extra mold. I didn't think much of it right then, but the next day when I cut it, I really like how it turned out. Last year for Christmas, I made a similar scraper to do some gingerbread house soaps. So I have that one and this new one available in my Etsy store if you want to check out. There are links below. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.